In this video, I'm going to show you how to use magic text in Adalo. First, let's understand what magic text is. Magic text allows you to display dynamic values based on specific conditions, such as different users or selections. For example, if you have a list of items and want each item to display unique details when clicked, magic text can achieve this. In my example, I have two screens connected, a list screen and a detail screen. By selecting the list component on the first screen and scrolling to the Actions section, you can set it so that clicking a list item redirects the user to the detail screen. In my case, I have a list of books, and I want to show different book details based on the selection. To do this, remove the existing text in the detail screen. Then click the magic text icon below the text box. This will display a drop-down menu with options to link various dynamic values, such as current date and time, user information including email, username or full name, and current item-specific data. To display the book name, hover over Current Book and select Name. This inserts the corresponding magic text block. Similarly, for the author field, remove the previous text, click the magic text icon again, hover over Current Book and select Author. Magic text can also be applied to images. For example, select an image component, open the image source menu, choose the database option indicated with stars, hover over Current Book, and select the image field. To verify, click View App in the top right corner and start the preview. When selecting a book from the list, its name, author, and image will display correctly. Choosing a different book will dynamically update the content, confirming that magic text works as intended. This feature can be used throughout your app to present dynamic data tailored to each user or selection. And this is how you can use magic text in Adalo.